What if I told you the era of paying for video generation tools is officially over? That's right, no more subscriptions, no more expensive software licenses. Now, imagine turning your wildest ideas into stunning animated visuals without spending a single cent. You can create cinematic masterpieces, captivating social media clips, and immersive visual stories with just a few clicks. And here's the best part. I'm unveiling a powerful platform called Kling AI that lets you create unlimited image-to-video animations completely free of charge. I'll guide you step by step on how to use it, absolutely free. Let's dive in. First, create a new Gmail account and set up a fresh Google Chrome profile. This will help you stay organized and use it solely for testing different AI image-to-video tools. Now open the website, link provided in the description. Copy your newly created Gmail and paste it into the tool. Click the Generate Variations button. This powerful platform instantly generates unlimited variations of your Gmail address, all connected to your main account. You'll receive every email in the same inbox. Go ahead and copy these Gmail addresses. Now open Google Keep. You can find it by clicking the grid icon near your Google profile picture and selecting Keep from the apps list. Paste all your Gmail variations into a new note. Then, enable the checkbox option from the menu below. This way, you can tick off each Gmail as you use it, making it easy to keep track. Now, let's try to get unlimited free credits for Kling AI. Open the Kling AI website and sign in using the sign in with email method. Enter one of your alias Gmail addresses here. Use the same password for every email to make things easier to manage. After you receive the activation code, head over to your Gmail inbox. As you'll see, the email will land in your primary Gmail inbox. Since these are alias addresses, all emails will come to the same place. Easy to check and maintain, right? Copy the activation code and complete your registration. Congratulations! You've just received 166 free credits. And if you think Kling AI's free generation speed is a bit slow, wait and watch till the end. I've got some great tips coming up. But for now, I'm going to sign up again using another Gmail alias. Just repeat the same process with a different email. No need to stress about duplicate registrations. Each Gmail alias counts as a separate email, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Each alias acts like a brand new account, so you won't run into any registration issues. This method is not only time-saving but also keeps everything organized in one inbox. Now, let's create a video using Kling AI. Head over to the video generator page and upload an image of your choice. In the prompt section, let's type, "Animate as if everyone is enjoying and playing in this beautiful weather." It's up to you whether you want to create a 5-second or 10-second video. You can choose the duration right down here. And as you can see, it takes around 5 to 8 minutes to generate a video, which is actually quite fast. And there you have it, the final result. Impressive, isn't it? You now have access to a cutting-edge AI video tool that puts professional quality animation right at your fingertips. Let's give it another go. Upload any image you'd like to transform into an animation, then enter your desired prompt. Click Generate and wait a few minutes for the magic to unfold. Once again, the results are outstanding. Kling AI continues to demonstrate why it's a game-changer in the field of image-to-video animation. And that's the complete process for using Kling AI for free. I just wanted to share this valuable info with all of you. Simply repeat the same process to use Kling AI again and again, without ever spending a single penny. If this method ever stops working, please don't leave hate comments. Instead, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you never miss an update. Let me share one bonus tip with you all. Once you've downloaded your generated image-to-video animation, you can easily remove the watermark by importing the video into any editing software and cropping out the watermark area. Have a great day and see you next time.